Well, hopefully you guys have got your coffee and you got 10 minutes so we can just see what old G RAThbun's up to today. Well, we got the inverter today. Here it is. I checked online and they said that this was a pretty good one. Great reviews. So I haven't unboxed it yet. I'm waiting for you guys. So let's unbox it and see what we got in here. As you can see, it's a Ampeak, and it's 2000 watts power inverter. It's got a remote with it too. It's one of the reasons I wanted to get this one. I paid a little more for this one because it's going to be tucked underneath someplace, and I don't want to have to crawl under there and turn it off and on all the time. So that remote, I'll be able to turn it off and on. I don't want to leave it on all the time, just when we need it. So that little remote will come in handy. All right, let's get into it. Let me get this camera set up so you can see it. Totally new apparatus up there. Maybe. What I got is my tripod turned upside down. Is it working? We'll see. Here we go. We're going to open it up. Get this thing opened up so I don't break something there. Here we go. We got, this is how to use the remote. It's how to hook up the battery. I'm pretty sure that just goes red to red, black to black. And you got a little instruction book here that shouldn't need it. Pretty easy. Now this is a good size little unit here, guys. She's a good size little unit. Let's see what we got going on here. Ooh, smells new. Definitely got an odor to it. I think I'm supposed to have one of these for that too. It's probably here in the box, but these go over it so you don't get things shorted out. Stick your cable through here. I mean, they don't even need instructions. I can figure that one out. Your black's gonna go here, your red's gonna go here. What else we got? On the front of here, you got 3 ports and you got 3 breakers. Then you got a USB port. And you have your remote plugs into here. It must be in there somewhere. But it just plugs into here. That's your remote. Got lots of vent holes in it. Imagine it gets pretty warm if you're trying to run something like a table saw or something. They say it will run a table saw. You got, matter of fact, this will run a refrigerator, microwave. Well, anything that takes less than 2000 watts. So you got vintage here. You got, this stands up off the ground a little bit so the air can flow in there. I don't know how I'm going to mount it yet. I might mount this to a board and then mount the board in there. We'll see. You'll see that soon. And then we got on this end, and we got a ground here, so you can actually ground this to the frame. I probably will. Shouldn't need to because that's grounded, but I'm going to do it right. We got 2 fans here that's going to help keep it cool. This also, it will kick off. It does all kinds of things. It'll kick off and on. If it gets too hot, it'll turn it off. If you get it short, it turns it off. It's got a lot of safety things in it. Good size. It's heavy. A lot of help. A lot of hep, what do you call it? It's heavy. Let's see if we got the red thing in here. Where would it have gone? Nope, ain't got the red connector on it. It doesn't really, I mean, I should have got it, I paid for it, but it ain't there. Let's see what we got down here. Okay, here we go. Here's your, this your remote. Oh, okay. Well, I was hoping that wasn't shaped like that. I was hoping it was square so I could just bolt it on there. Now I'm going to have to cut a little hole in something, and the wife ain't going. I'm going to have to build something. She ain't going to want me cutting no holes in nothing. I'll guarantee you that. You see what I'm talking about right there? See, it ain't going to be a flat mount. I'm going to have to, I'll build something. Because I want it to just be able to Velcro on the wall in the RV so I can pull it out, you know, and not screw up that. I'll fix that. We'll just put a little, looks like about a 1/2 inch board around there. I probably got some right up above you there. But we'll do that. That'll be, I'll make that work. It doesn't say it comes with these cables. I was a little concerned that it didn't. But it does. There's your black, and they're heavy duty. Your black and your red. Let's get a measurement on these. Nobody ever tells you how long stuff is. So I'm going to tell you guys just how long these cables are. I should have a tape measure here somewhere. Are you kidding me? There we go. Oh! I don't know how I got on the floor, but it was on the floor. I didn't even see it pop out, but we got it. We got all this stuff. All right, let's get a measurement on, they're going to both be the same. Let's get a measurement on the red one. That's 2 feet. If it's 2 feet, I'll bet you it's 3. Oh, come on, flip around here. 3.5 feet. Or is that 4? That may be 4. Let's see what we got. 44 inches. 44 inches long, guys. Right there. So, and I'll bet the other one's the same size. Let me try that out. 44 inches. That'll get you somewhere there. And the black one's the same length. So, hopefully that helps y'all out, because I'll buy stuff and I'll look online and I'll watch these people. They won't tell you how long stuff is. 44 inches. That will work really well for me, because I'm only going through the floor. I think I'm about maybe a foot. So I'll have plenty of cable. I can jostle that around wherever I want it. So pretty. Do not, lots of do nots right here. What I'm going to not do is probably read it. Now we got the red thing. That thing goes on there somewhere. Okay, come on. Oh, all right, dumb guy. There we go. And that'll protect that. And we'll shoot this down, hook it up. I was going to hook it up today, but it didn't get here till late, and it's almost supper time. I might go ahead and work on something to build this out. Yeah, I don't want to put a hole like that in nothing. Because what I'd have to do is cut a hole in the paneling and then recess that. I don't want to do that, guys. Well, I'm going to put it in and I'll show you how it works. I'll probably make a video installing it. I'll just show you how I installed it. You don't need to watch me cut a hole. But anyway, there's what you get in the box. Of course, anything looks good in the box. Let's just see if it works. That'll be the test. Happy, happy, happy. All right, guys. That's unboxing a Ampeak 2,000 watts of power. That'll run a lot of stuff. This is the biggest one I ever had. My last one was 1,000, and then we found out you couldn't run a lot of things on 1,000. Couldn't run our hairdryer. That was the worst thing. But this will even run the refrigerator. Yep, that's it. Stay tuned for more videos from G RAT. Of course, maybe this have more video on it. I don't know. We'll see.